papalag siya kapag anak ko. Sorry.
Iyak na siya. Wait lang po. Alam po.
Oh, there's your daddy right there. Your daddy right there. Oh. That's your daddy right there. Oh, sabi mo, baby daddy. Talk to them.
It's okay, baby.
Ayun din ko. Wait lang, bebe ko. Sorry, baby. Baka gusto niya nakatayo.
Mukhang gusto niya. Kaya nga, mabalag to. Try ko niya.
Para sa
Mas kalmado.
blood yan, no? Pretty.
Para magano ko yung
Sorry, baby.
done.
Mamaya natin yung natin.
Oh, here, go to daddy.
Silang dalawa.
Ay, nako. Ayun nako.
Parang kinarap ako nung pretty. Okay na siya.
Ay, okay na siya agad eh.
Niloloko mo kami.
Ha? Okay ka naman, pretty. Sorry, I love you.
Pinansin
I
mo.
love you. I love you. Sana lang.
Mabiyala po, princess.
Sure, Daddy. Is this done?
No. He just took a break. Just doesn't go out.
But this one is done.
Yeah, he's...
Hello, pretty girl. You're so brave, pretty. You know that?
No.
The other side na lang, pretty girl.
And then,
Beautiful
ano lang
princess.
naman ito?
No, this is gonna mess it when it goes.
So,
It just looks darker.
it is new. Other than my touch shoes or that?
Okay. Okay.
But the guy who did this is gonna...
Okay. Okay naman. Very good girl. You're a good girl. One more time and it's done.
Dito naman ako sa kabila.
Yes.
Hi! Nagre-reklamo na. Talk to your daddy.
Hey, pretty.
Strong.
Hello,
You're strong.
Strong, baby.
Hello, pretty. Oh, yeah? You don't like? Para talagang pretty princess ka. Sino ang pretty princess na walang earrings? Ikaw lang. Naka-earrings ka na. Pretty princess ka na. You will wear diamonds, so pretty girl.
This my water? I hope so.
Oh, pretty.
Oh, baby daddy, come here.
Oh, pretty.
One more, okay?
Pretty. Saka pag mingle, isang gamit. Palit
Tapo
agad.
na.
Oo.
Okay.
Ayaw na ako.
I have to tap, like, hold her here like this. And then, nagre-reklamo.
Parang gusto magsalita.
It's done!
You're all good, pretty. Yay!
She's
This one?
She's
Good,
okay.
good?
She's good.